Welcome to our virtual gym. I'm Alex with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today you will be joining me for a 20-minute leg burning workout. Let's get this started. 30 seconds of squats. Let's go. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. All right, we're almost there. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we have alternating step back lunges. Let's begin, 30 seconds. You do not need to tap your knee on the ground. You don't need that depreciation on your patellar tendon. You just need to get low. As a song back in my time went, get low, get low. Good. We have 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we have squats into a calf raise. Let's prime up those calves, quadriceps. Let's begin. Whew. You feel it in your calves, in your quads, in your glutes, in your hamstrings. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, we're going step back to step forward lunges. We are going with the left leg first. 30 seconds. Five more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we did our left. We have to do our right. Let's go. Feels so good to work unilaterally, to strengthen both of our legs individually. So when they start working together, they work synergistically, and we actually can increase our power output much more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, time to start our workout. We have 30 seconds of squat jumps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try not to lean forward too much because you don't want to reinforce bad posture again or put a lot of strain in your lower back. Remember, the squat is a knee flexion and then a hip extension movement. 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's take about 10 seconds. Breathe, recover. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alternating lunge jumps. Let's go. Remember, you want to go lunge and into a jump, into a lunge, and then get that range of motion, all right? Three, 2, and 1. All right, rest it out, shake it out. We're going with side to side lunges. We have 30 seconds, otherwise known as a Cossack squat. Getting the quadriceps, the vastus lateralis, the outer part of our quadriceps to be firing up. And opening up our hips at the same time. It's almost a 2 birds with 1 stone kind of workout. Remember, you don't want to be bending down like this or like this because you really want to put all the strain into those legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good job. Shake it out. 10 seconds. We're gonna go with sumo squats. In 3, 2, toes pointed out, weight on our heels. Let's go. A little bit wider. Generally, a good rule of thumb is the wider you go, the more posterior chain activity you're gonna get. The more narrow, the more anterior. In this instance, the more narrow will give you more quadriceps, more wide, glutes and hamstrings. 15 more seconds. Don't forget to smile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go with a calf raise. Find wall, anything you can see. You're gonna cross your leg behind your back. You're gonna calf raise up and almost go down. Squeeze up for a second. 3, 2, 1. Good. 2, 1. Nice. I really want a good contraction of the calves here. This is actually going to strengthen your Achilles with the calves, gastrocnemius and soleus. We have about 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna go with our right side. We didn't hit our right yet, so let's go ahead and start. Do not place it all the way on the ground. Just come up and squeeze. Good. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna do everything again. We have a second round. We're gonna be going in about 10 more seconds. Now's a good time to get a quick sip of water or coffee. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps, 30 seconds. All right, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Shake it out, shake it out. We have about 5 more seconds of rest. We're going with alternating lunge jumps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, it's good to jump, lunge, and then balance into it, all right? Balance before you lunge, sorry. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, 10-second rest. We're gonna go with side to side lunges, otherwise known as Cossack squats. In 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Open up the hips, toes and knees are pointing the same direction. You always want your kinetic chain to be nice and even. All We have about 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go with sumo squats, 30 seconds. Let's begin. Remember, for the sumo squats, you want your toes pointed out and your foot placement much wider than shoulder width. Get a little bit more eccentric stretching of the muscle fibers of your glutes and hammies. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna go right into calf raises. Left leg first, 30 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, begin. Fifteen more seconds. Remember, squeeze up top. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going over to the right leg. I would love to take a rest, but let's go. We didn't hit the right yet. Nice job. I'm watching you. The mirror here is watching you, but I'm staring at a wall. Good. You're doing so well. I can feel you. We have about 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, we are almost done. Let's hit our glutes now. Single leg glute bridge, starting with our left leg first. Generally, it's always good to start on your non-dominant leg because you want the non-dominant leg to get just as strong as your dominant. For example, I'm a righty. Generally, I tend to go in favor of my right side. So I usually start with my left. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. We have 1 minute. Oh, this is so good to get both your legs nice and even. Remember, exhale as you come up. Inhale, exhale. I'm with you. I'm with you, Sunny fam. Let's go. All right, good job. We're going with 1 minute on our right. 3, 2, 1, begin. It's always good to put a lot of the pressure on the heels of your feet. It's good practice to get a little more glute engagement. Sometimes our hamstring complex wants to take over. We're trying to focus on those glutes. All right, nice job. Stretch it out, stretch it out. About 10 seconds, then we're gonna get both of them to work together for 1 minute. Okay, 5, 4, 3. Let's go and get both legs to work together now. Easy. We've already done each leg working individually, so now we get to have them both work. Good. I want you to keep going, Sunny fam, come on. I'm not quitting on you, so don't quit on me. It's starting to really burn, but it's okay. We enjoy it sometimes, especially when it starts getting to the point where it's teeter-tottering of cramping and burning. 10 more seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze it up there. About to hold it for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, Sunny Fam. Let's go and finish it all off with one squat hold for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. You need to focus here. Try to prevent yourself from leaning forward. Smell the pure feeling of your legs burning. Yes. Enjoy it. Remember, it's okay to breathe. It's not illegal to breathe during this, okay? We have 25 more seconds. Good. Perfect. Sink lower. Good, 15 seconds, come on. Come on, let's go. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, perfect, good job. Let's go for our stretching. We're going with a single leg quadricep stretch, both knees together, hand out, stare at a point, just to make sure you have a good balance. Good, and breathe here. Good job. We did it. We did it. Now we have to just get some recovery down. All right, switch legs. Good, nice and easy. Nice and easy. If you're faltering like I am, it's okay to let your feet come down and come right back into it. Good. About 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, nice job. Now we're gonna go for that stretch on that hamstring. We're gonna lean over, put our hand down if you can. Go into a full one-legged stretch, just like so. But if you cannot, okay, just lean into your hand as well. A bit of a tripod stance here. Good, and you're gonna switch over to the opposite side, or if you can. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. We're gonna go for our single leg glute. Just stretch out the glute medius and minimus right here. Perfect. Yes, get that full stretch, the IT band, TFL area right here that sometimes runners get. It's good to get that stretched out. 3, 2, 1. Gotta go with that opposite leg now. Yes. Perfect. Good. About 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go into that cradle pose. Single leg, right leg down. Opposite leg. All right. Come on up, slowly, slowly. Breathe, come on up. Inhale and exhale. All right, nice job, Sunny Fam. We did it today. Sunny Health and Fitness. Got our legs worked out. See you next time.